Judy, everyone was called back into the courtroom about an hour ago, 5 o'clock. The jurors had a question about the instructions they'd been given. They have since gone back into the jury room, although they are about to call it a night very shortly, resuming tomorrow morning. At this point, the jury got the case at 11:40 this morning. Everyone, of course, waiting for their decision. Outside the courthouse, protesters make their feelings known. They say the death of Sonya Massey was murder, and they want the former sheriff's deputy, Sean Grayson, who's on trial, to be convicted of murder.
I think anybody with eyes who's watched the video can see what happened and the intention behind it. You know, he said he was going to kill her, and he did, and I think that in itself is very telling.
Grayson is accused of shooting Massey inside her kitchen while responding to a call of a prowler at the house. Prosecutors played video from his partner's body camera, which captured most of the incident. The former officer's defense attorney says the shooting was justified because he believed he was in danger of Massey throwing a pot of boiling water at him. He told jurors what happened to Sonya Massey was a tragedy, not a crime. Prosecutors, however, strongly disagreed. Sangamon County State's Attorney John Milhiser telling the jury, "These are the actions of a bully. The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder." Outside the courthouse, authorities are preparing for a response from the protesters after the verdict is announced. There are numerous officers in place and fencing surrounding the courthouse building. Protesters cheer for Massey's family as they leave the court during recess.
This cause is so important to our community and neighborhoods that I felt that I needed to come out and support not only the family, but the reasoning behind how such an injustice could occur.
Sonya Massey's family remains in town waiting for the verdict. They say that they will have much more to say about this case after that verdict is announced. Meantime, they've already settled out of court a civil suit for $10 million. Live in Peoria, John Garcia, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.